So I'm gathering up first her top section, just kind of softly, using my fingers to brush it back in an effortless way. Okay, and then I'm gonna hold that with my left hand as I begin to gather up everything underneath. Now I'm gonna flip it and begin to twist it up. Now I'm gonna take some pins and secure the base here. If you have any of these long bobby pins like this, that is helpful. You always wanna be sure to kind of pin at least 2 bobby pins connected to each other to the base. So I am twisting that, still making sure that you're gonna be able to see kind of like that pretty twisted twist from the front. And then here in the back, I'm just gonna drape it over. I'm just kind of fluffing and pinning. With the length of her hair, some of the little pieces are coming out, which is really pretty and looks really effortless, but you want to make sure that the hair is still secure underneath. Okay, and then I'm going to pull a few little pieces out, like around her neck. Then I'm going to kind of try to cover up the hole that a twist always leaves. I'm doing that by pulling out a few pieces from the far side over here. Just kind of seeing what wants to come out. That looks really pretty with those little curled pieces. So just really play with the hair and see what it wants to do. And then once again, make sure that you're still keeping it pretty secure so no hair is just gonna flop randomly throughout the day. I'm gonna curl the pieces that I left out. Part of this one is super long, so I'm gonna tuck it back in. Spray it with your texture spray. You guys, you saw that it literally took me 2 minutes to create this beautiful French, just soft, upswept updo.